Welcome to Boilers2Go. Choosing a boiler for your 3-bed home is a major decision for your comfort and your wallet. For most 3-bed homes, you'll need a 30 to 35 kilowatt capacity for 10 to 12 radiators and reliable hot water. First, the Worcester Bosch Greenstar 4000. It's quiet, reliable, and a firm British favourite for mid-sized family homes. Next is the Viessmann Vitodens 100W. Famous for German engineering, its stainless steel heat exchanger is built to last. Third, the Ideal Logic Max. It's compact enough for a kitchen cupboard and comes with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Fourth, the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 832, a premium choice, perfect for households with a higher hot water demand. Finally, the Alpha eTech NX, a brilliant budget disruptor that delivers high quality without breaking the bank. For more heating advice, follow or subscribe to Boilers2Go. We'll see you in the next video.